Hey folks, I'm going to welcome you to Permian Ford. Hope you enjoyed the video.
Make a great choice today with 2012 Terrain. The GMC Terrain combines the benefits of a crossover with the style and functionality of an SUV. Terrain offers uncompromised capability, a balanced stance, and a commanding view of the road, letting occupants enjoy a confident driving experience. And an EPA estimated 32 highway MPG is not bad either, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, stability control, backup camera, traction control, keyless entry, remote engine start, Bluetooth, dual airbags, air conditioning. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.
Folks, here at Permian Ford, we have a large selection of vehicles. We'd love for you to come out and see us. After your purchase, we give you the first free oil change. We also have tires for life. So we pride ourselves on customer service, so please come to see us.